Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into a gadget that's been making waves in the world of retro gaming and tech modification, the Werewolf VFLEX Dongle. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another gadget? But trust me, this one is a game changer, especially for those of us who love to tinker with old tech and give it a modern twist. So, let's explore how this tiny device can breathe new life into your vintage gadgets and why it's a must-have for any tech-savvy enthusiast. First things first, the Werewolf VFLEX is like a chameleon in the tech world. It can transform any old gadget with a power port into a USB-C powered device. Whether you're trying to relive your childhood gaming days with a Super Famicom, or you just want to give your old external hard drive a new lease of life, this dongle has got you covered. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. You just plug it into your phone, set the voltage, and voila! You've got a universal power adapter that can handle a wide range of devices. Now, I know what you're thinking, but wait, what about the voltage compatibility? Well, that's where the real magic happens. The VFLEX doesn't just convert voltage, it asks for the power you want. It uses the same protocols that other USB-C gadgets use to negotiate power, allowing you to specify exactly how much juice you need. So, if your old monitor needs 19 volts, or your Game Boy needs a specific voltage to avoid damage, the VFLEX can handle it. It's like having a personal assistant for your gadgets, making sure they get the power they need, and nothing more. But here's the catch. You can't just buy a VFLEX and expect it to work with all your existing chargers. For example, my Apple 140W USB-C power adapter, the most powerful one Apple makes, can't deliver the 19 volts my desktop monitor wants. So, while it's incredibly versatile, it does require some forethought and planning. You'll need to know the voltage requirements of your devices and have the right chargers on hand. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is the need for reverse polarity. Some devices, like guitar pedals and my Nintendo Game Boy and Super Famicom, have a negative center pin instead of a positive one. So, if you see the center negative symbol on your gadget, you'll need to use an orange-tipped plug. It's a small detail, but it's crucial to get right. Thankfully, the Werewolf app can help you with this, allowing you to save profiles for each gadget and charger, and even test your power sources. But what really makes the VFLEX stand out is its flexibility and modularity. The dongles are already firmware updatable, and there's a public API and web app available for those who want to dive deeper. And the company is working on specific adapter cables for retro gaming consoles, CPAP machines, and M12 connectors for industrial environments. So, while it might not be for everyone, it's a dream come true for those of us who love to tinker and experiment. In my opinion, the Werewolf VFLEX is a game changer for anyone who wants to breathe new life into their old gadgets. It's incredibly versatile, easy to use, and offers a level of flexibility that's hard to find elsewhere. So, if you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves to tinker, I highly recommend giving it a try. Who knows? You might just unlock a whole new world of possibilities for your vintage devices. What do you think? Have you tried the Werewolf VFLEX? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and gadget reviews. Until next time, happy tinkering.